You have people coming over and you forgot to get snacks? Well, we have great news for you. All you need is to stop by your store, Bobby Salazar's, 1 container, 4 avocados. You got dip in a zip.
I personally like to mix 50-50, so I'll use a little bit of the salsa verde and my favorite, the mild. And if you're also like me, my diet starts every Monday, so I use cucumber chips to dip.
Not me. Move over, sister.
Hey.
Any salsa you want to choose, zip in a dip. All you need to do, chop it up, zip in a dip, and all you need to make zip in a dip.
So I use cucumber chips.
I don't though.
Cheers.
Dang it, I wasn't ready.
Okay, we'll start over. It's fine. Well, do you want to put that down?
No, I just want to have it ready. Just putting random shit.
Okay, ready? And this is also how we like to eat it.
So awkward.
Don't, when I start putting that on, I feel like you need to speed up your, like it's a lull.
Well, I don't know what to say. I eat chips.
Can we move the dog? He's on the
Mama.